The year was 1520, and the Ottoman Empire stood at its zenith, ruled by the formidable Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent. In the heart of the empire's capital, Istanbul, lay the Topkapi Palace, home to the Sultan and his vast harem. Within the harem's walls, a world of intrigue and beauty unfolded. The harem was a microcosm of the empire itself, filled with women from various lands, each with their unique stories, ambitions, and secrets. Among them was Roxelana, a Ukrainian slave girl, whose intelligence and beauty caught the Sultan's eye. Roxelana, once a mere concubine, rose to become the Sultan's favorite and, eventually, the most powerful woman in the empire. However, her rise was not without controversy. Many in the harem resented her, seeing her as a foreigner who had usurped their positions. The crisis came when Roxelana gave birth to a son, Prince Mustafa. The Sultan's other wives and concubines, driven by jealousy and resentment, plotted to undermine her influence over the Sultan and the future of the empire. The rivalry between Roxelana and the other women reached a boiling point. One night, a fire broke out in the harem, burning down several buildings. The incident was seen as a conspiracy, and fingers pointed towards Roxelana's enemies. In the aftermath, Roxelana's enemies were banished or executed, and she became even more powerful. However, the incident also marked a darker period in the harem's history, where suspicions and fears of conspiracies became commonplace. Roxelana's influence over the Sultan continued to grow, shaping the course of the empire and the lives of countless women within the harem. Her story serves as a reminder of the power that can be wielded by those in the shadows, and the intricate web of politics and power that defined the Ottoman Empire. The harem, a place of beauty and intrigue, stood as a testament to the empire's grandeur and complexity. Yet beneath its gilded facade, a world of jealousy, ambition, and power struggles unfolded, shaping the course of history for generations to come.